tangents of two unequal radius circles. Okay, we will discuss about tangents of two unequal radius circles. Okay, draw common internal and external tangents of between two unequal radius circles. Okay, draw common internal and external tangents between two unequal radius circles. R1 is equal to 20 and R2 is equal to 40. The center to center distance between two circles are 80 mm. Okay, the center to center distance is 80 mm. Next, with the help of your compass, okay, with the help of your compass, measure 20 mm. Why? Because the radius of the R1 is equals 20 mm. Okay, draw 20 mm circle. Okay, let's draw 20 mm circle. Okay, let's draw 20 mm circle. This 20 mm circle. The radius is, okay, the center is O1. Okay, the center of the circles is O1. Next, the center to center distance between R1 and the center to center distance between two circles are 80 mm. Okay, measure 80 mm. Okay, measure 80 mm. Okay, let's take, I'm taking 100 mm. Let's 100 mm. Okay, the center to center distance between two circles is 100 mm. Just imagine. Okay, this is 100 mm. Next, this is the center point of the another circle, O2 circle, which has 40 mm radius. Okay, measure 40 mm. Okay, measure 40 mm with the help of your compass. Measure 40 mm. Okay, measure 40 mm. O2 as the center. Draw R2 radius circles. Okay, draw R2 radius circle. Okay, this is 20 radius circle. Radius of this circle is 20. Okay, radius of the circle is 20 and radius of this circle is 40. Okay, R40, R20. Okay, next, the center to center distance is 100 mm. Okay, the center to center distance is 100 mm. Next, R1 is equal, before you draw common internal tangents, R1 is equals to 20 and R2 is equals to 40. We have to draw a circle. The radius is equals to R1 plus R2 is equals to 40 plus 20 is equal to 60. Okay, 40 plus 20 is equal to 60. The radius of the first circle, okay, the radius of the first circle is 20 and the radius of the second circle is 40. Okay, we have to draw a circle which is equals to, okay, R1 is equals to 20 and R2 is equals to 40. We have to draw a circle which is equals to R1 plus R2. Okay, R1 plus R2, that means 40 plus 20, 60. Okay, with the help of your compass, measure 60 mm. Okay, measure 60 mm. With the help of your compass, measure 60 mm. Major circle center as the center. Okay, this is minor circle and this is major circle. Why? Because major circle means the radius of the circle is more than the minor circle. That's why we are called this major circle. Okay, draw a circle which is equals to R1 plus R2. Okay, radius of the circle is equal to R1 plus R2, that is 60. Okay, next, bisect this O1 O2 line. Okay, bisect this O1 O2 line. The rule for bisecting, okay, the rule for bisecting, measure from O1 at the center, half of the above radius, make an arc above and make an arc below. Okay, next, O2 as the center, make an arc above and make an arc below. Okay, next, draw a line passing through this arc's intersection point. Okay, draw a line passing through this arc's intersection point. Okay, passing through this arc's intersection point is nothing but bisecting line of O1 O2. Okay, name it as point C. Okay, name it as point C. Okay, next, with the help of your compass, okay, next, with the help of your compass, C as the center. Okay, CO2 as radius. Okay, C as the center, CO2 as radius. Draw an arc. Okay, draw an arc up to the arc touches this R1 plus 2 R2 circles. Okay, up to the arc touches R1 plus R2 circle. Okay, R1 plus R2 circle. Let this is, okay, the above point P, the above point P and below, okay, and the below point Q. Okay, above point P and below point Q. okay, draw a line, okay, joint this arc O2 to point P, okay, O2 to point P. The next again draw a straight line O2 to Q, okay, draw a straight line O2 to Q, okay. Observe carefully, this straight line, okay, this straight line touches this major circle at this point, okay, touches this major circle at this point. Name it as this point P1, okay, name it as this point P1, okay. This straight line touches this major circle at this point, okay, name it as this point Q1, okay. This is P1 and this is Q1, okay. Next, with the help of your drafter, okay, measure parallel to this O1P O2P line, okay, measure, set your drafter parallel to this line, okay. Minor circle center, with a minor circle center draw a line which is parallel to this O2P line. Draw a parallel line from center point minor circle center bottom side, okay. This is P1 and this is P1 dash, okay, P1 and P1 dash, name it as P1 dash, P1 dash, okay. Next, measure your drafter this parallel to this O2 Q line, okay, O2 Q line, okay. Next, move this drafter up to the center point of the minor circle. Draw a line above side, okay, upward side, okay, parallel to this O2 Q line, okay. Name it as this. This is Q1 and this is, name it as this Q1 dash, okay. Name it as this Q1 dash, okay. Let's draw a straight line, okay. Let's draw a straight line from P1 and P1 dash, okay, from P1 and P1 dash, okay. Let's draw a straight line passing through P1 and P1 dash, okay, passing through P1 and P1 dash, okay, P1 and P1 dash, okay. Let this is T1, okay, T1 and T1 dash, okay. Next, let's draw a line passing through Q1 and Q1 dash, okay. Let's draw a line passing through this Q1 and Q1 line, okay, Q1 and Q1 dash, okay. Draw a line passing through Q1 and Q1 dash, okay. Let this is T2, okay, let this is T2 and this is T2 dash. These are the common internal tangents between two unequal radius circles, okay. This is the procedure to draw common internal tangents between two unequal radius circles. This T1 and T1 dash, T2 and T2 dash lines are passing through internally in between these two circles, okay, passing through internally in between these two circles. That's why we are called, these lines are internal tangents, okay. The straight line touching one circle at P point Q1 and at point Q1 dash from major minor circle P1 dash and P1, okay, passing through in between these two internal tangents, okay. These the lines are called as internal tangents. We will discuss about external tangents for unequal radius circles, okay. These are the internal tangents. These are the common internal tangents between two unequal radius circles, okay. Internal tangents for unequal radius circles, okay, unequal radius circles. This is, that means R1 not equals to R2, okay. The radius of both circles are do different, okay. Next we will discuss about external tangents of unequal radius circles, okay. External tangents between two unequal radius circles. R1 is equals to 20 and R2 is equals to 40. The center to center distance is 100 mm, sorry. The center to center distance is 100 mm, okay. The center to center distance is 100 mm. Let's draw for R1 circle, okay, with the help of your compass, okay. With the help of your compass, measure R1 circle, measure 20 mm, draw R1 circle, okay. Measure 20 mm, okay, measure 20 mm. Let's draw R1 radius circle, okay. Let's draw R1 radius circle, okay. Next, the center point of this circle is nothing but O1. The center point is O1, okay. The center to center distance between these two circles, okay. The center to center distance between these two circles are 100 mm. Draw 100 mm line, okay. Draw 100 mm line. Next, this is the center point of second circle. This is O2, okay. Next, with 40 mm radius, okay, with 40 mm radius. Okay, measure 40 mm. Next, let's draw a circle. Okay, let's draw a circle which is equals to 40 mm radius. Okay, which is equals to 40 mm. Let's draw a circle. Okay, which is equals to 40 mm. Let's draw a circle. Next, okay, bisect this O1 O2 line. Okay, bisect this O1 O2 line, half of the above radius, make an arc above and make an arc below. From O2 center, make above arc and below arc. Draw, join this arcs intersection point. Okay, join this arcs intersection point is nothing but the bisecting line of O1 O2. Okay, name it as C. Okay, name it as C. Next, make a circle which is equals to R1 minus R2 radius. Okay, for before you draw external tangents, draw a circle which is equals to R2 minus R1 radius. Okay, that means R2 is 40 and R1 is 20. Okay, is equals 20 mm. Major circle center as the center. Okay, major circle center as the center. Make a circle which is equals to R1 minus R2. Okay, that means 20 mm. O2 as the center. Let's make 20 mm circle. Okay, let's make 20 mm circle. Okay, let's make 20 mm circle. This is R1 minus R2 circle. Okay, R1 minus R2 circle. Okay, next C as the center. Okay, next C as the center. Okay, C as the center, bisecting line center as the center, O2 has radius. Okay, O2 has radius, make an arc. Okay, up to the arc touches this major circle. Okay, up to the arc touches this major circle. Okay, next, okay, up to the arc touches this, the arc touches at this point. Okay, this is R1 minus R2 circle, this arc touches at this point above. Let this is point P and bottom side point Q. Okay, draw a line from O to P. Okay, draw a line O to P. Okay, up to O to point P. Okay, next draw a line O to Q. Okay, O2 to Q. Okay, draw a line O2 to Q. Okay, this is O2 to P line and O2 to Q line. This is R1 minus R2 circle. Okay, this is R1 minus R2 circle. Next, measure the radius. Okay, okay, next, okay, extend this. Okay, extend this circle, extend this straight line up to this point. Okay, next, extend this straight line. Okay, extend this O1P line up to above side. Okay, let these two above and below points are tangent point of the major circle. Okay, tangent points of major circle. Let this is P1. Okay, and let this is Q1. Okay, P1 and Q1. Okay, next, measure. Okay, set your diopter parallel to this O2 P1 line. Okay, measure your diopter parallel to O2 P1 line. Okay, move the point to center point of minor circle. Okay, center point of minor circle. Draw a line. Okay, which is parallel to O2 P1 line above side. Okay, next, measure. Okay, measure your diopter parallel to this O2 Q1 line. Okay, O2 Q1 line. Next, minor circle center as the center. Next, draw a line bottom side parallel to this O1 Q1 line. Okay, next, name it as, this is P1 and this is P1 dash. Okay, P1 and P1 dash. This is Q1 and Q1 dash. Okay, P1 and P1 dash. This Q1 and Q1 dash. Okay, draw a straight lines. Okay, draw a straight line passing through P1 and P1 dash, Q1 and Q1 dash. Okay, draw a straight lines passing through P1 and P1 dash, Q1 and Q1 dash. Okay, P1 and P1 dash and Q1 and Q1 dash. Okay, P1 P1 dash and Q1 Q1 dash. Okay, let this is T1. Okay, T1 and T1 dash, this is T2 and this is T2 dash. Okay, these are the external tangents. Okay, common external tangents. Okay, these are the common external tangents. Okay, common external tangents of unequal radius circles. Okay, unequal radius circles. This is a procedure to draw external tangents between two unequal radius circles. Thank you.